Hi, I'm Mitch from WebDevStudios. If you use WordPress, chances are you've seen or heard things online about Gutenberg. But what is Gutenberg exactly, and what does it have to do with WordPress? In this video, we'll talk about what Gutenberg is, how it works, and how you as a WordPress content creator can use it to get the most out of your WordPress website. Let's jump right in, shall we? To put it plainly, Gutenberg is WordPress's block-based editor. That's kind of a fancy way of saying that all of the content in WordPress is assembled in blocks, or small pieces of content. These blocks can be assembled to form pages of content in your WordPress website, or grouped together into a block pattern, which can be reused anywhere in your website. This approach allows creators to quickly assemble content in ways that go beyond just standard layouts of text or images. To add a Gutenberg block, simply click on the black plus sign that appears at the bottom of your content, or on the blue plus that appears between existing blocks. You can then select the block that you wish to use. In this case, I'm going to select an image block, and select an image of this dog. Wow, that is a very majestic looking dog. Maybe I want to put a block quote above the image to show just how majestic that I think this block is. You can select the black plus and click Browse All in order to get to the block library. This is a collection of all of the blocks that you have available to you in your website. I'm going to take the quote block and drag it above the image and type in exactly what I think about this dog. To move the blocks around, I can simply drag and drop one block from a location to wherever I want it in my content. There are many different blocks available to you in WordPress. There are standard blocks like headings, paragraphs, lists, and images. There are other layout-based blocks that are more like rows and columns and groups, and these allow you to organize your content in a way that makes the most sense to achieve more advanced layouts on your WordPress website. If you need to edit a block, you can hover over the block to see the block toolbar. This toolbar contains many settings that you would normally find to help you edit your content. In this case, I want to bold this sentence because, as I've told you, I really do think that this is a majestic dog. Different blocks have different toolbar options. A paragraph block will have options for editing text, while an image block will have options to help you align and position the image within the content. If I need more robust settings, I can look over in this sidebar area at the settings sidebar, which will allow me to do more advanced things to a block, like change the text color, the size of the typography, and many, many more things. Some blocks will have custom options available to you. It really depends on what block you choose as to what options will appear in the settings sidebar. Gutenberg is the next iteration of WordPress, and it's the default WordPress editor. We here at WebDevStudios want to empower our users to get the most out of what WordPress has to offer. Using Gutenberg and the block editor is the natural choice. Blocks allow content to be more consistent, allow more creative layouts, and overall allow your site to be more customizable than the typical classic editor experience of WordPress.